Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. But today's video is a little different because I got a question. Have you ever had gnats or fruit flies just crash in your kitchen, girl? Or house flies in the house acting like they pay rent? Same here. But girl, I found the solution. I found something that actually works and you're gonna like. So this is from the brand called WowCatch. This is a flying insect light trap. Really nice. I love the sleek design. It just looks so nice, and wherever you put it, whether it's the kitchen, the living room, the bathroom, girl, your bedroom, it looks nice. It's sleek. It has a soundless operation, and girl, it only takes minutes to set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that comes inside. Okay, so this is the WowCatch flying insect light trap. It catches fruit flies, house flies, gnats, and more, girl. People friendly, pet friendly, no chemicals, no insecticides, girl, and it is a quiet trap. All you have to do is set it up in seconds and plug it in and watch it catch. I've been enjoying mine for just about 6 days now, and over the weekend I did have a nice little set here at my house. We had a barbecue for the 4th of July. Just had family and friends over, and with everybody coming in and out my sunroom door, we were letting flies in. We had both gnats and house flies. So let me show you what I caught. Now, like I said, I've only been using this maybe 3 or 4 days, and look at that. We actually have a few gnats here. We have like 6 and a house fly. It's kind of gross, but it works. It definitely works. So we're gonna use this trap a little while longer, but you do get 4 more inserts that comes with it to replenish it should you fill it up. I hope you don't fill it up, but should you have to, you get 4 replacements, and you can buy additional replacements on Amazon as well. So if you're interested in the WowCatch, I'll have it linked down below in the description box, so don't skip over it. This is definitely something that you want to have for the summer months. And girl, yeah, it works. As you see, it definitely works. So check it out. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's informative video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever dealt with those pesky little gnats, fruit flies, or house flies at that. Just let me know down below. This is a real channel, real folks having real conversation. Meanwhile, don't skip over that description box, as the links and information will be there. So check out that comments area to drop your comments down below. Just join in on the conversation. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.